जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि राम कृष्ण हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि राम कृष्ण हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि 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 धाकुट्याच्या मुखी घास घाली माता वरी करी सत्ता शहानिया धाकुट्याच्या मुखी घास घाली माता वरी करी सत्ता शहानिया वरी करी सत्ता शहानिया ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर वाढे तो थोर अंतराय वाढे तो थोर अंतराय दोन्ही उभयता आपणची व्याली आवडीची चाली भिन्न भिन्न आवडीची चाली भिन्न भिन्न ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर वाढे तो थोर अंतराय वाढे तो थोर अंतराय तुका म्हणे अंगापासून निराळे तुका म्हणे अंगापासून निराळे निवडिले बळे रडते स्तनी निवडिले बळे रडते स्तनी ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर वाढे तो थोर अंतराय वाढे तो थोर अंतराय with abundant grace of Mauli Gnaneshwar Maharaj and Jagadguru Sri Tukobba Rai Maharaj, we are able to enjoy this Abhanga. This Abhanga has very deep underlying meaning. You know, Tukaram Maharaj always provokes introspection. You know, he compels us to think deeply than we think we can. Sometimes we think, okay, we got it. Okay, we thought about it, we got it. During those times, Tukaram Maharaj will give us a slight nudge. Maybe there is a direction that you have missed altogether. Think about that one direction which you may have missed. ह्याच्यामध्ये ना एक अशी गोष्ट लपलेली आहे जी प्रत्येक घरी होत राहते. It's so common that we often overlook it. But that kind of makes the entire sar of life almost altogether. तुकाराम महाराजांनी कसं ते बघितलं आणि कसं एवढ्या चार शब्दात चार ओळींमध्ये सांगितलंय ना, खूप आश्चर्य, खूप on the surface this Abhanga seems to be a tale, a story of, let's say, two brothers. Two brothers, one brother, maybe, 5 years of gap, 4 to 5 years of gap between these two brothers. Both brothers growing up in their own ways. When we look a little bit deeper, it reveals our own longing, our own dilemma, our own foundation, which we should not lose. You should think about parents, siblings, relations, spouse, whoever we see as this foundation, and ultimately what makes us what we are. धाकुट्याच्या मुखी घास घाली माता वरी करी सता शहाणिया वरी करी सता शहाणिया. Now, doesn't this happen almost in everyone's house? Wherever there is a mother, this story is going to happen. आई घरी काम करून आली आहे, दिवसभर काम केलंय, थकली आहे, but she will do the cooking in the evening. She sees to it that everybody is fed. She herself is hungry, but she will not eat first. Even though she cooks food first, she won't eat first. She will feed everybody, elders and youngsters in the house, before she eats. And when असं तसं नाही feed करणं, she will feed her youngest child. स्वतःहून वरण भात तूप कालवायचा, गरम गरम भात गरम वरण कालवायचं, मिक्स करायचं, त्याचा घास भरवायचा, घास बनवायचा, फुंकून फुंकून मग सर्वात छोट्याच्या त्याला घास द्यायचा. भूक लागली आहे, सगळे खात आहेत, पण आई काय करते? घास भरवून भरवून देते. आता यावेळेला छोटे महाराज काय करतात? टिपिकल छोटे महाराज म्हणा. They will get angry. Usually a kid would get angry, frustrated, and would shout, काय गरम आहे? This is so hot. This is too much spicy. पाणी आणून दे आत्ताच्या आत्ता. And on top of that, not just expressing this, sometimes kids will also say, शहाणपणा दाखवणार थोडा ना थोडा तरी. अगं आई थंड करून दे ना, हे गरम कोण खातं? नको मला, नको. अगदीच लहान बाळ असतं ना त्यावेळेला आई पाठीमागे धावते 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 आणि आपला पळतोय पळतोय पळतोय. अर्थात ही लुकाछुपी पण चांगलीच. पण आता हे सगळं होत असताना जो मोठा मुलगा आहे, जो 5 वर्षाहून मोठा आहे अजूनही, ही इज लुकिंग ॲट दिस. अँड व्हॉट इज ही थिंकिंग? He's gone through this phase and he's grown. And 2 years ago he said, I'm going to eat my own food. आई तुम्हाला वाढून दे, पण मी माझं जेवतो. And he is eating on his own with his own hand. But he is looking, and the first thought that comes in his mind is my mother loves my younger brother more than me. Why doesn't she feed me like this? I want to eat from her hands too. This is what the thought process goes in his mind. This is where all the cycle comes back. Here only we should have understood, but it takes time. Vittal has given us mind. He wants us to make use of our minds. We have to run our mind, so we run with it. And many times we run without control, and then we don't know what to do. He wanted us to be mindful, not mindless. But we lose control. We let our indriyas, our desires start controlling us, influencing us. Sometimes they only make the decisions for us. And this is more obvious as we grow. The more we get intelligent, the more obvious this becomes. ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर, ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर, ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर, वाढे तो थोर अंतराय, वाढे तो थोर अंतराय. With more intelligence comes distance. And this distance can be from anything. We were close to, being simple before. But now we are distant from being simple. We used to live minimalistically before. थोडक्यात आपलं व्हायचं अगोदर. पण आता होत नाही. आता हे लागतं, आता ते लागतं, इंटरनेट लागतं, टीव्ही लागतो जेवताना. लहानपणी टीव्ही 2च तास बघायचो ना, फार तर फार. We are distant from the simple pleasures. And sometimes you are also distant from the family gatherings or picnics. In our youth, when we were in college or started earning, and a family picnic was arranged, and we know that this Saturday or Sunday we have to go with the family, with all the relatives whom we have not seen for 6-7 months, and everybody is coming. And one thought might have crossed us, which is, I want to go with my friends in a different place. I want to see the movie that is going on this weekend, Friday release. Who's going to listen to the uncle? He's just going to talk, talk, talk. And sometimes even this might have come out. My dad doesn't know anything what he talks. Come on, my dad doesn't know anything. This mindset makes us distant. Coming back to the story in the Abhang, let's say both these kids, both these brothers, they are growing. They are becoming smart, able people. They are able to handle obstructions in life and they are able to overcome them. But at the same time, they are becoming distant from their roots. Sometimes we realize that as we are growing up, as we are becoming distant, especially people living 2 different continents apart, we realize that. And we keep telling ourselves, it's okay because we are here for them. We are here so that we can give them a better future. We can give them a better life. We are here so that we can support them. And later in life, it becomes for our kids. We are here for our kids. And so our parents or Mauli will understand. They have to understand, right? They have to understand. But secretly, we are all longing to be with our family, to be with our parents, to be with our apteshta, our kin, our siblings. Tukaram Maharaj says this intelligence is good, but realize that it could cause the distance from our roots. ऐसे जाणपणे पडिले अंतर. And we will keep growing intellectually. We will keep giving ourselves our own logical explanation and also grow the distance. वाढे तो थोर अंतराय. दोन्ही उभयता आपणची व्याली. आवडीची चाली भिन्न भिन्न. आवडीची चाली भिन्न भिन्न. Now look, both these kids, all of us for that matter, are created. Vyali means created, given birth by the same mother, by Mauli. With intelligence, we become a bit fearless, which is good. We should be ready to explore, and that's exactly what we do. We get attracted to what we like. आवडीची चाली भिन्न भिन्न. Whatever we like could be different for everybody. And we pursue what we like. We pursue our dreams. Nothing wrong with that. But this ubhayata, the couple, both the sides of the same coin, we have to know that. This is where Maharaj is nudging us to think. Think about this all the time. Don't forget. Don't just see one side of the coin, see the other side of the coin too. Don't forget your root. Don't forget your roots, which means be attached. But pursue your dreams, for which you might have to be detached. Both are right, logically. But we have to find the right balance. We have to know about this, be conscious about this, and we have to find the right balance. And we are smart to know that. Because Maharaj asks us to do chintan, to think about, use your mind to think about all these things. Thinking is the seva that you are doing for Mauli. बोलो निया काय दाऊ तुम्ही जीवू जगाचे. तुम्ही जीवू जगाचे. तुम्ही जीवू जगाचे. हेची आता माझी सेवा चिंतन देवा करीतो. चिंतन देवा करीतो. चिंतन देवा करीतो. हेची आता माझी सेवा. This is my seva to you. चिंतन देवा करीतो. I promise to think before I act. I promise to think all these things and make the right choices. Finally, तुका म्हणे अंगा पासूनी निराळे. निवडिले बळे रडते स्तनी. निवडिले बळे रडते स्तनी. Tukaram Maharaj gives a very straightforward example coming back to the first line. We came from our parents. We originated from our mother's body, our father's body. And no matter how far we have gone away from our mother, no matter how much intelligent we have become, no matter how much strong we have become in handling this samsara, there's only one place where we can share our deepest emotions without fear, without judgment. There's only one place where we can feel true happiness, where we can cry without shame. Need I tell you that place what it is? That place is in our mother's lap, with our mother, our Mauli. आपुलाले सांगा सुख दुःख. And just like our mother, who never ever judges her child, who is always ready to listen, who's always ready to help. Just like her, even Mauli is doing the same for bhaktas. His bhaktas are bhole bhavikas. They are intelligent, smart, independent, but their bhav is bhola. And they recognize this importance of being bhola, humble, down to earth, simple. That's our way to keep our connection to our mother and Mauli eternally, everlasting. And once we find our way back, we don't want to let it go. विठ्ठल जय जय 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 विठ्ठल विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई पुंडलिक वरदे हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम माऊली श्री ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु श्री तुकाराम महाराज की जय संत शिरोमणी श्री नामदेव महाराज की जय संत मुक्ताबाई संत जनाबाई की जय सर्व संतनों की जय राम कृष्ण हरि